Hello ladies, so today's video is about calculating equilibrium constants or calculating KEQ. Sometimes that's known as KC as well. So our KEQ expression for this reaction is KEQ equals the concentration of NH3 squared over the concentration of N2 times the concentration of H2 cubed. Now where am I getting these exponents from? The exponents for our concentrations come from the coefficients in the balanced chemical equation. Okay, so the coefficient for NH3 in the balanced chemical equation is 2. So we have to raise that concentration to the second power. Same thing down here for H2. The coefficient for H2 in the balanced chemical equation is 3. So when we calculate our equilibrium constant, we have to cube the concentration for H2. So what if we were given values for these concentrations? So let's say we had the concentration of NH3 and that was equal to 0.01 molar. Let's say the concentration for N2 was 0.02 molar. And the concentration for H2 was also 0.02 molar. So then all we would have to do now is plug those values in for our KEQ expression. So KEQ in this case would equal our concentration of NH3 squared, which is 0.01 squared, and then divided by the concentration of N2 to the first power, which is 0.02. And then the concentration of H2 raised to the third power, so that's 0.02, and that's cubed. So let's see what we get for that value. Get out my calculator. 0.02, so 4, and then 0.01 squared divided by that number, and I get 625 as our KEQ. Okay, so that's our value for KEQ. So just to remember, KEQ values are always our products over our reactants, and then we raise the concentrations of all of the substances involved in the reaction to the power of their coefficient. Okay, then you can just plug those concentrations into that expression when you're given, and you will get the equilibrium constant. And for this problem, we got a value of 625.